Here, I'll go on this side so it's shiny.
We are going to use this paintball gun. And my mom is down there. And I'm going to shoot her. Mom, put the... Okay.
Oh gosh, Mom. Oh my
Turn
gosh.
around. You can go to your spot. Mom wanted to make a video now.
Mom, put that jacket on. I'm dead serious, Mom. Mom!
Stay back.
I know, I'm going to go back this way.
Put the jacket on, Mom!
No.
We're going to end up grounded for a month. Why? Hey,
Mom! Put your jacket on, Mom!
Look at the wall.
Just do it. Oh! Oh, God!
Keep recording.
Oh! Let me see it. Come on.
No, it hurts.
What do you have to say?
That was amazing.
Let's see.
Oh.